So welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn a very important topic, OOP, object oriented programming. So I'm going to give you a very brief concept about the OOP, and in the next lecture we will see how to implement the classes and different terms used in the OOP. So let's see a brief introduction about OOP. So these are the few terms we are going to use more and more in the OOP programming. Class, attributes or properties. Methods are basically the functions. So functions inside the class are called as the methods. Object, instance. So let's see a brief definition of each of these terms. So let's take this human as a class. So this is a class. We can also call this as a blueprint, and this class of human has some attributes like this human have hands, it has legs, and it has nose, eyes and ears, and it can perform the various functions, it can perform the various actions. So human can walk, human can run, human can swim. So these functions are basically the methods or functions of this class human, and the red circles are attributes of this human. So what is the object? Object is a real life physical appearance of that class. So basically we have treated this man as an object, and this object is using this human class template and the functions the human class possesses. So there's another object. So both of these objects are using the template human and its functions. Both perform the same functionalities and has the same attributes because both are humans. So now the question arises how we can differentiate between these two objects. We can differentiate by giving them two different names. So let's see, first object is Harry and the second object is Ahmed. So in this way we have created the two instances. Remember, each object is an instance, but not necessarily each instance is object. Well, we will see in a broader view in the next lectures. Now in this video we are taking just a brief introduction about the OOP. So these are the two objects of this class human, and also as we have given them different names, so these objects have become now instances. Furthermore, we can see here that human is a blueprint, or we can see a class or a template, and there are two instances, one is male and other is female. So male is using the class human, and similarly the female is also using the same class human. So whatever the attributes or methods human will have, the male and female will also have those features and methods. So these are the two instances. So this was the difference between instance and object. In the next lecture we will practically see how to implement the class and how to make object and instance and how to have the attributes in a class. So see you in the next lecture.